Hello guys, in this video let's see how to do a 3-point turn. So for 3-point turn in your road test, put the right signal first, check right mirror and then the blind spot, then slowly take your car closer to the curb. Make sure you are parallel to the curb, okay? Your car should be straight, okay? Then you stop, cancel the right signal, and now since we are going to the other side of the road to take this 3-point turn, you put the left signal first, then you check left mirror, blind spot, your wheel, turn your wheel all the way left, then make sure it's safe to go to the other side of the road. When you are checking if it's safe to go to the other side of road, you are not just checking if somebody is coming from behind, okay? You need to also check if some cars are coming from the front, okay? Remember, it's their right of way, okay? When it's safe, then you take the car to the other side of the road. When you're going other side of the road, look at the bottom edge of your big mirror, okay? Once the curb is under the big mirror, then you can stop. That's the reference how far you can go in front, okay? Put the car in reverse first, then you turn the wheel all the way right and check both ways before you go back. Then when you are going back, if you have small mirror, you can stop when the mirror is roughly over the curb. If you don't have small mirror, you stop when the big mirror is roughly in the middle of the road, okay? You can see the big mirror is roughly in the middle of the road. Then you turn the wheel all the way left, signal should be left, look both ways, and then you can finish your 3-point turn. Make sure you are not taking too much time to finish your 3-point turn. Be aware of the traffic around you. Do your 3-point turn when it's safe. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with others. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe.